Ever feel like you're juggling a million different apps just to manage your money? Cash for nights out with friends, a separate app for online shopping, another for bills. It can get overwhelming. Wouldn't it be great to have one app that does it all? Well, fret no more. Today, we're diving into the world of Lunar Cash, a mobile app promising a seamless way to manage your finances. But what exactly is Lunar Cash? Is it just another budgeting tool, or does it offer something truly unique? Introducing Lunar Cash. Lunar Cash is a financial app designed to be your one-stop shop for everything money-related. It allows you to send and receive money instantly, pay bills directly through the app, and even track your spending habits. Think of it as your digital wallet, budgeting coach, and payment platform rolled into one. Key features. So, what features make Lunar Cash stand out? Let's explore some of the cool things you can do with this app. Instant transfers. Ditch the hassle of bank transfers. Lunar Cash allows you to send and receive money to anyone with a Lunar Cash account instantly, no matter the time or day. Bill pay. Tired of juggling multiple due dates and logins? Lunar Cash allows you to pay bills directly through the app, streamlining the process and keeping you organized. Spending tracking. Curious about where your money goes? Lunar Cash automatically categorizes your transactions, giving you a clear picture of your spending habits. Security. Worried about keeping your finances safe? Lunar Cash uses industry-standard security measures to protect your information. Benefits. But what does this all mean for you? Here are some potential benefits of using Lunar Cash. Convenience. Having all your financial needs met in one app saves you time and eliminates the need for multiple logins. Control. Gaining insights into your spending habits empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Peace of mind. Knowing your money is secure can give you peace of mind and reduce financial stress. Target audience. Whether you're a college student managing your allowance, a young professional looking for a budgeting tool, or someone who simply wants a more convenient way to handle finances, Lunar Cash could be a great option for you. Outro. Of course, every app has its pros and cons. In future videos, we'll delve deeper into Lunar Cash, explore user reviews, and see how it compares to other financial apps on the market. Call to action. So, have you ever tried Lunar Cash? What are your thoughts on all-in-one financial apps? Let us know in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.